All right, well, the trip has begun. Sick week is upon us. Just made it to the airport. Looks like the flight's delayed, like a 30-minute delay, but no big deal. Hopefully we can get down there and get out of this cold and get into the warmth. We're in Florida, got the truck. It's doing all right, started right up. Actually ran to the parts store to grab some things. I picked up an oil filter and I brought oil down with me, so I'm gonna do a quick oil change. And I also got some right stuff to try and fix the oil leak that I have coming out of the radiator. It seems like whenever I took the radiator out, last time I had the front end tore apart, I tried to reseal one of the fittings that go in for the oil cooler, and I just made it worse. So I'm just gonna do a quick fix and just goop on some right stuff, and we should be good after that. And then tomorrow we'll be heading to the track for registration for Sick Week. So we'll get this maintenance done and hit the road tomorrow. All right, well, there it is. Got the oil change done, fixed the leak, and swapped the tires over. Got everything packed up, pretty much ready to go. Got to just toss the luggage in and head to Bradenton in the morning. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, we're at Bradenton. Got the truck in line for tech. We'll just sit and wait and see how long we can get through the line, and yeah, be ready to go for tomorrow. Here we go, pulling on to the Freedom Factory pad. Didn't expect to be able to get a pull onto the track. Pretty cool. Wow, so bright. Jeez. Wow, this is very steep. It's deceivingly steep. Free drink tickets.
Gift bag.
Free drink tickets.
Free drinks. Here they all are.
I don't know where I'm going. Okay, well, made it to the hotel. Sadly, didn't get to run on testing day. Tech took a little bit too long. You can see the truck right there. So it's all good to go. Just noticed I got a little bit of sun today, so we'll have to be applying sunscreen the rest of the week. So hopefully tomorrow will be a better run. We'll be actually be able to get a run in and hit the road. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.